What's up guys, Daniel Ndukwu here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can increase your affiliate marketing revenue almost overnight. Simple tweaks, simple tactics that many people overlook but are incredibly effective at increasing your revenue. Now before we jump in, one thing, damage that like button, destroy that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more information on affiliate marketing, online business, and increasing your income. Alright, let's dive in. The first strategy to increase your income is something that a lot of people shy away from, and that's making more offers. I know you're probably like, well, I don't want to annoy people. I don't want them to do this. I don't want them to run away. But you'd be surprised at how well people tolerate offers. I know I'm subscribed to a lot of email lists, like ASOS, for example. It's a clothing brand, and they send me offers all the darn time. But I haven't unsubscribed because I appreciate those offers, because when I'm ready to buy something, and I can go to my email and I can take advantage of one of the many offers that they're almost always sending me. So in order to implement this, what you want to do is that you want to focus on building your mailing list. You want to use pop-ups, you want to use landing pages, you want to use interactive quizzes. Make sure you check out Kylie's so you can create interactive quizzes and pop-ups. Shameless plug. And once you have that mailing list, when someone signs up for that mailing list, you want to send dedicated offers so that every few days, every few weeks, you're sending them valuable content, valuable educational content related to your niche, but you're also promoting your affiliate offers. So you're not only reliant on maybe the search engines or social media to send people to your offers and then for them to buy immediately. Because to be honest, most people don't buy immediately because they don't really trust you. They don't really trust your offers. You're like a random website on the internet. So they may not buy immediately, but if you build your mailing list, you can build up that trust, you can build up that authority, and eventually they will buy from you. And not only once your recommendations are good and they trust your recommendations, they'll buy from you over and over and over again. It's really amazing once it kicks in. An example of this comes from the Busy Budgeter. Now, I've mentioned the Busy Budgeter in one of my previous videos when I was talking about $1 million affiliate marketing sites. She actually has a really big emphasis on her email list. As of now, she has about 100,000 subscribers on her email list, and it's automated for roughly a year. So if you join her mailing list today, you'll get emails for over the course of a year that are promoting offers and things of that nature, and it's all automated. Depending on how you interact, depending on what you buy, depending on what you do, you'll get different emails tailored to your specific interest and your specific wants. It's really interesting. It took her like a year to build out, but it's worth it, right? So if you want to go this route, build your mailing list, send offers regularly. Don't be afraid to send those offers because no one's going to kill you. At most, they'll unsubscribe, and you'll know that they're not really for you if they unsubscribe because you sent an offer. They should understand that you're a business. You're not running a charity here. So every now and then you will present an offer. If they're not interested, hey, they can ignore it. If they subscribe, well, on to the next one, right? Now, the next strategy to increase your affiliate marketing income is adding strategic call to actions across your website. Most affiliate marketers tend to only promote the products within its dedicated posts. Maybe have a best of post or a post related to that particular product, like a review for that particular product. But this is leaving a lot of money on the table, because if you know that a product is high performing and is really relevant to the majority of your niche, then the majority of people that visit your website, it makes sense to promote it everywhere as much as possible. So instead of just promoting it in its dedicated post, you should put it in the header, you should put it in your footer, you should put it in your sidebar, and you should put it as a CTA within individual posts. Even if it's not directly related to that post, you never know if someone who's reading that article was actually looking for something like that and they happen to stumble across it and now they're buying it from you. An example of a website that's doing this pretty well is called Niche Pursuits. Now, this is a website from an experienced affiliate marketer. He has a whole bunch of niche websites, and he actually has a product that he promotes pretty often. Now, this product is called Link Whisperer, and he embeds it in almost all of his articles so that someone that's reading and learning about affiliate marketing will see this product, will see this offer, and a good percentage of those people actually click on it. So he's increasing his revenue without sending people to a dedicated article or waiting for people to find it through social media or search and click on the link from a dedicated article. He's actually generating more income because everyone that reads an article, maybe he has 20,000 visitors to his site a month. So everyone that reads the article will see this offer, which gives him the potential to make even more income. So guys, don't sleep on this. Add call to actions at strategic places on your website. Now, the next strategy to increase your affiliate income is adding a dedicated resources page. Now, dedicated resource page is you basically telling people, hey, these are the tools I use. These are the tools I believe in. You should check them out. They'll probably help you as well. And you can do this within any niche. You can show them about courses that helped you along your journey. You can do them about software tools that helped you. You can do them about like consultants or coaches, etc. Really, it's limited by your imagination and what's attainable within your niche. I've seen people recommending certain gear, certain footwear, certain online courses, etc. And of course, these are affiliate products. So you want to put your resources page in your header and your footer so it's easily accessible so that people don't have to kind of click around your website and stumble on it. They actually see it whenever they land on your website. It's one of the most prominent header items. And when you do that, you can drive a lot of traffic to those pages because people are always interested in the resources that someone they trust and someone that they believe in is using because they feel that those resources can get them the same or similar results. Now, an example of this comes from Smart Passive Income. Pat Flynn has been in the affiliate marketing game for a really long time. He actually recommends quite a few tools like Bluehost, Buzzsprout, ConvertKit, and you'll see here that he actually mentions it's an affiliate link. Now, not every tool on his resource page is an affiliate link, but the majority of them are. I happen to know that he uses a lot of these tools. Like I know that he uses ConvertKit for his email marketing. I know he uses Right Message on his website. I know he uses Teachable to host his course. I don't know about all these ones. It doesn't seem like he uses HelpScap, but he's endorsing it. So any sale that he makes from that endorsement is revenue in his pocket. And this is just a static page that's on his website 24/7, easily discoverable, and it produces revenue for him all the time. Now, the next strategy to increase your affiliate revenue is using case studies and social proof to get your message across, to show that this website is, or this product or this offer or whatever the case may be, is authoritative. They've gotten results for people in the past. They're legit. They're going to help you. And you want to insert these inside of your reviews to add that extra layer of credibility. Now, there are a number of ways to go about this. Maybe you've used the tool extensively in the past, so your review just goes through all your experiences and you can give them little hints and tips and tricks. Or in lieu of that, if you've not been using the tool for too long, but you do like it and you really can't give that experienced perspective, you can go to websites that aggregate reviews on products like Amazon, or if you're promoting software, it could be something like G2 Crowd. Now, let me show you an example. So this is for ActiveCampaign. It's an email marketing service that I use and that I stand by. I've been using it for about 4 or 5 years, and I use it across all of my projects. And so if I were to write a review for ActiveCampaign today, I would be able to talk from firsthand experience. But if to say I couldn't talk from firsthand experience, I would come to a website like G2.com and I would just pick out some of these reviews. I would take a screenshot and paste it into my review of ActiveCampaign to lend that social proof, to lend that credibility, and to make it easier for the person reading the review to actually go ahead and check out ActiveCampaign or in the end buy it. So guys, those are really simple, really fast, really straightforward ways to increase your affiliate marketing revenue almost overnight. Doesn't take rocket science. It's not that hard. And as long as you implement them properly, you will see an uptick in revenue. I mean, there's almost no way not to see an uptick in revenue as long as you're making something or getting at least some traffic to your website right now. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content about increasing your income, affiliate marketing, and online business.